My name is Judith Wright and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Instant Pot air fryer lid. Yes, I love kitchen appliances. Anything to make mealtime a little bit faster and be able to use less pots and pans, sign me up. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to purchase this Instant Pot air fryer lid. And that's because I've had the 6 quart Instant Pot, which I have here, for a couple of years, and I still use it. So it's one thing to buy a kitchen appliance and use it a couple of times and stop using it, but then when you're using that same kitchen appliance over and over, you know that it's a good product. And that's the reason why I was like, you know what? Let me check this air fryer lid out, because I do have a separate air fryer. I own a New Wave, what is it called? New Wave Live Well for Less air fryer, which is right over here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yep. So I have this air fryer already, but to be able to do everything in one pot, I had to try this new product out. Right on Amazon.com for $79.95, which I didn't think was bad, especially because I know I'm going to use it a lot. So, ooh, handle comes off. Let's check it out. Just zoom it in a little bit so you can see. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. So first thing on top is looks like a manual. So I'll go ahead and take that out. And this is I think this is like the base plate. I believe like when the lid is hot, it's like the resting plate for it. So we've got that. Look at all this stuff. Got like a little metal disc here. So this looks probably like the tray that goes on the bottom. Almost there. Okay, so this is the basket, and there's like a base for the basket too. Go ahead and pop that out. The basket and the base that goes in there. Perfect. Oh, okay. So they pack this stuff really well, right? And there is the air fryer lid. Finally. Okay, let me try to get this out without dropping it. That would be good. It's pretty, got a little weight to it. Just try to pull it out here. Don't laugh at me. Alright, so that looks like that's all that's in the box. And here we have the Instant Pot air fryer lid. It's got some weight to it. Okay, so here we have the Instant Pot new air fryer lid. Got it there. So these look like the heating coils, and it has its own plug. It has its own power source, and I think when you use it with the Instant Pot, of course, you only use one power source. So we've got our pot. We've got, this is the inner pot that it comes with. So just snap the base in there. Just cut this bag open. the base plate here. And this is the cooling rack for it. So I guess when you remove the top after you're done cooking, then you would just place it on here, because I can imagine that this thing is going to be really hot. The heating coils are on the bottom, so this is going to be super hot. So it's really good that they thought about where to put the hot air fryer lid. Let's see what we've got in the manual. I wonder if they included any recipes. I'm going to open it. Oh, sorry, actually open. I can just tear it open here. I love opening new appliances. So I guess this is the maintenance and warranty and safety stuff. And this is the manual. Okay, so there's a whole chicken. So I guess you could put a whole chicken in this thing and roast it. So this thing has, this Instant Pot air fryer lid has a lot of features. Like you can bake, roast. Of course, it's an air fryer lid, so you can air fry. So it has a lot of features, and I can't wait to just get this thing washed and cleaned. I gotta figure out how to clean it. Replace your Instant Pot lid with the air fryer lid, and it does fit right over it. This is for 6-quart Instant Pots, and well, the one I bought was for 6-quart Instant Pots, and it only works for certain brands. I can put the link to Instant Pot, the compatibility link, in the description below. Like I said, I bought this for $79.95 on Amazon.com. I'll include that link below too. This is going to be a great addition to the rest of my kitchen appliances, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, because instead of, you know, making wings in the Instant Pot and then finishing it in the oven, I can just finish it in the same pot. I don't have to transfer it onto a cooking tray and turn on the oven, you know, preheat the oven and wait for it to heat up. I could just go ahead and finish it in the same pot that I cooked it in. I'm also gonna try ribs. I love beef short ribs. I do. So that's gonna be one of the recipes that I try in this Instant Pot with the air fryer lid. Now, because I got this new air fryer lid, I decided to get some accessories to go with it. And I bought some other accessories that I thought would be helpful, and even for me to use with just the regular Instant Pot, not necessarily the air fryer lid. And this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just never got around to doing it because I just, you know, would just wash out this and keep reusing it. But I wanted to get more accessories to go with the pot. One of them was the glass lid. I make stews and soups and things like that. And sometimes you like brown the meat before you pressure cook it. So when you're browning the meat, you want to kind of see inside. Just keep your food warm if you have like a soup or stew. Yeah, you can't really see what's going on inside. So I went ahead and I bought this glass lid. I could have probably used a regular, oh, this is pretty good quality. It's nice and heavy. It has got some weight to it. But I'm the type of person, like, I'd rather buy the brand that the pot goes with. And this pot cover was just like $9.95. It wasn't that much. So I'm happy about this. This is going to make using my Instant Pot a lot easier to see my food when I'm not, you know, pressure cooking it. So The other accessory that I mentioned earlier was the ceramic non-stick inner pot, and so this gives me another pot to cook with the Instant Pot, so that I can quickly just, you know, not have to like wash the pots right when I'm cooking. I could just, you know, take the food and the pot out and put a clean pot in there and then finish it off with the air fryer lid. And that's the reason why I got this, because I know how I function in the kitchen, and just thinking about having to take out food and wash and do all those extra steps while I'm cooking doesn't work for me. I've seen prices change like in a matter of a day or two. So just keep that in mind, that, you know, the prices I'm quoting you with might change. So this is the extra inner pot that I got. I know it's going to. So now that I have opened my air fryer lid, leave in the comments below things that you would like to see me cook with this Instant Pot air fryer lid. Do you want me to make wings, chicken tenders, ribs, I don't know, anything. Now this thing could bake, broil, roast, and dehydrate. So let me know, what would you like me to make in this air fryer lid, and I will take a stab at it and let you know how it goes, and I'll make a video so that you. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe.